We up like song, Chiefs in the cut, Kaiser gold shining, you know what's up. Uncut energy, crowd going nuts. We up like song, Chiefs in the cut.
What's up, Coasty Nation? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another episode of Kaizer Chiefs Uncut. Before we start with the title, as you've seen, can Kaizer Chiefs win the league? First, I would like to thank everyone who subscribed to the channel. Big thank you. I'm honored, and I'd like to appreciate every single one of you who just passed the 20,000 subscriber mark. Much appreciated. Thank you guys. Thank you, and thank you especially to the members on my channel. Let's get to it. 15 matches left. Can Kaizer Chiefs still win the league? Well, mathematically it's possible. And in life, anything is possible. But realistically, is it possible? I don't know, man. Kaizer Chiefs right now, they crashed out of the CAF Confederations Cup, and they also crashed out of the Carling Knockout Cup. So Kaizer Chiefs has only 15 matches left in the Betway Premiership. That's all they have now left is the Betway Premiership. 15 matches left, and we're not doing too bad. Right now we're sitting on 4th, 30 points with 15 matches played. That's 8 points behind Orlando Pirates, which is sitting first, and we are 5 points behind Mamelodi Sundowns, which is second. So 15 matches, 6 home matches, 9 away matches. First, let's take a look at the home matches at the FNB. And I'm still gonna say, like I always say, we should win all our home matches. We should be dangerous at home. We should be winning all our matches at home. Teams must be scared to come to the FNB. And so far, not bad. We only lost once at the FNB to Sekhukhune, and we haven't lost away. But anyway, let's start with the home matches. Fixtures, the first one up next, we have Stellenbosch on Tuesday the 24th. We should beat them. In the last 10 matches, we beat Stellenbosch 8 times, and they beat us 2 times. So we still have the beatings of Stellenbosch. We should beat Stellenbosch. Then up next, after that, is the Soweto Derby, 28 February, FNB Stadium, highly anticipated, full house. And when it comes to the derby, man, form goes out the window. It doesn't matter which team is on form or whatever, man. Anyone can win on the day when it comes to the Soweto Derby. And the next home match that we're gonna have is gonna be Durban City on the 15th of March, and then we're gonna have Magesi on the 21st of March. Then TS Galaxy 12th April, Chippa United on the final day. All those matches are just counted after the Soweto Derby. Durban City, Magesi, TS Galaxy, Chippa United. We should win all those matches at home. We should win those matches. For me, that's 12 points in the bag. It should be. Doesn't matter if we win 1-0 or whatever, but for me, it should be 12 points in the bag. TS Galaxy, Durban City, Magesi, and Chippa United. These are the teams that are at the bottom, man. And then our away games. They start the 3rd March. We have Richards Bay in Durban, and then we go to the Northwest Orbit College on the 7th of April. Then we go to Polokwane to face Magesi, 15th April. Then we stay in Polokwane to play Polokwane City on the 18th of April. And then we have another Soweto Derby on the 25th of April, even though that one I'm not going to count as an away match because it will be played at the FNB Stadium at our home match. So this is like our home match, another home match for us. But it will be Orlando Pirates game, another Soweto Derby, 25 April. And then on the 6th of May, we go to the Loftus Veldveld to play Mamelodi Sundowns. We beat Sundowns. They beat us here at the FNB usually, but when we go to Loftus, I don't know, when we beat them in Pretoria. That's a fact. You can go check the history books, man. When we go to Pretoria, we have the beatings of Sundowns. When we come here to the FNB, they embarrass us or they cheat us. And then the next match, we go back to Polokwane to face Sekhukhune. That's on the 10th of May, and AmaZulu will be our last away match on the 16th of May. All those matches, man, are winnable. All those matches are winnable. Only Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates, and Sekhukhune are above us. So the rest of those teams are below us. We should be beating all those teams that are below us. Kosi Nation, I don't know what you guys think about this last 15 matches, man. I don't know. 15 matches is 45 points. 45 points up for grabs. Okay, for me now, realistically, I'm expecting 40 points. 40 points. 1 loss, 2 draws, all wins. So I'm expecting 12 win, 1 lose, 2 draw. So that's gonna give me 40 points. So I don't know, man. So 40 points plus the 30 that we have is 70. That's a lot of points, man. So I don't know. Kosi Nation, tell me what you guys think. Do you think can Kaizer Chiefs still win the league? Can Chiefs win the league? Mathematically, obviously it is. I don't know what you guys think. I think they can do it. I think they've been strong enough this season to do it. I don't know. We'll see. They haven't played a lot of tough games. They've played Mamelodi Sundowns once, and we played the goalless draw. We haven't played Pirates, and we haven't played them. We played them last time. We played Pirates. We beat them in the cup. So we don't know, man. So there is chances of us being still able to win this league. I don't know what you guys think. Kosi Nation, please let me know. If you liked any part of this video, make sure you subscribe so you can get more videos like this, and you can hit the notification bell just to get notified once we drop a video. And to my members, I love you guys. I love my members. Special things coming your way. Members only. Kosi Nation, I'm out.